Welcome back, Crammers, to question 11. On the grid below, draw the graph of y is equal to 1 minus 2x for the values of x from -2 to 3. So first off, we can draw a table here to hold all our values. We have x and we have y from -2 to 3. So we go -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. And we have the equation y is equal to 1 minus 2x. So we simply substitute the value of x. So we have 1 minus 2 times -2. And then we can see that it's 1 minus 2 times -2 is -4. When you subtract from a negative, it becomes positive. So 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So our first value is 5. Moving on, we have -1. So we just have here 2 times -1 is -2. 1 minus -2 is 1 plus 2, so we get 3. And we do the same thing for the next value, which is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is just 1. So we have here 1. Then we put 1. So we have 1 minus 2 times 1. So that's 1 minus 2. And we get -1. -1. Then we have 2. 1 minus 2 times 2, which is 4. So we have 1 minus 4, which is -3. And lastly, we have 3. So 1 minus 2 times 3 is 1 minus 6. And we have -5. Now that we have all our values, we simply input them into the table. So x value is -2. The y value is 5. We put a cross there and we move on. The x value is -1. The y value is 3. Okay, moving on. The x value is 0. The y value is 1. The x value is 1. The y value is -1. The x value is 2. The y value is -3. And finally, the x value is 3 and the y value is -5. We simply draw a straight line using our ruler and we are done. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.